Thank you for joining us in our next tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be going through the direct messaging feature, which is a brand new feature we just launched here towards the end of Q1. So go ahead and navigate over to the My Profile tab, hover over it, and you will select Inbox. In here, you're going to find any previous messages you have sent between you and someone. So that's the list of your messages. You can search if you had multiple. Delete, mark as read, mark as unread, archive, just your simple filtering capabilities, settings, so you can click or unclick these to set your specific preferences for your direct messaging feature, and then any announcement that might have been made in the direct messaging forum. Over to new message here, you just fill out whoever the name of the recipient is, your subject, fill out your message, choose a file. So this is great if you want to share any additional files specific to your application that you might have submitted if you're messaging an employer, or maybe just sharing some just any files that you might want to share with other student users, employer users. Just a great method of getting that document and file sharing and keeping them tied into your messages. And you're going to add as many files as you need, and then you'll go ahead and send that message, and you'll get a confirmation both via email and at the bottom of the screen that will let you know that the message has been sent and the user has received your message. Thank you for watching this video. This was direct messaging. If you have any questions, please do go ahead and reach out to us via email or social media, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching.